TV. I'm beaming live from Full Gospel International. Ngilapha like lo sisi wami lapha ungasichazela ukuthi ungubani lokuthi uvela ngaphi?
Mina igama lami Sinenhlanhla Mazibuko, all the way from South Africa.
Eish, wow, it's nice to have South African people in Zimbabwe. So njengoba belibuya lapha lisijabulisa lisigidisa kulento leyade locally isho ukuthi this is the great revival. So ungangichazela ukuthi li great revival ingabe ihloseni lokuthi ingabe siya ngaphi?
Okay. So it's all about encouraging young women and males to stay ebukhoneni buka Jehovah. You know, it's about a journey where you tap into the glory, a journey whereby you tap into the anointing of the elderly people you work with, you know. It's about learning and being taught and be able to be taught.
Wow. Hayi inhle ke movement yenu. Njengoba silizwe licula kamnandi kangaka, lingabe le experience lilapha Full Gospel. What was your experience?
Okay, so no, it was nice, and we didn't feel at home. We were at home. So it was very nice. Wow. The atmosphere is totally asibeka straight. Okay. So lingabe liphenduka nini kuzosigidisa futhi? No, we definitely gonna come more frequently. We'll be here. I think we'll be here on Easter. Yeah. So sisasekhona.
Sevele sifuna ube si hey noma yini. Hayi siyabonga balani. Siyabonga.